Katrina, let's go ahead and show how to use RoofSnap on an Android tablet.
Great.
You can see that we already have the app installed here on our Android device. And if you haven't already signed up for a free trial, go ahead and tap on the sign up button right here within the main login screen. And what that's going to do is that is going to open up your web browser and take you to the sign up page on our website. So let's go ahead and put in our name. We only need 2 pieces of information for that initial 24-hour access. So go ahead and give us your name and then give us an email. Katrina, what kind of email address should somebody use when they sign up for RoofSnap?
Yes, the ideal email address is perhaps your company email address, something that you're comfortable with showing on documents that you generate in RoofSnap that you're going to show to your customer or maybe send to your crews. So I'd recommend probably a company email address.
Absolutely. Once you've put in your email address, go ahead and tap on the sign up button. And this is going to take you to a screen asking you to place your first free sketch order. As you may know, we have a sketch ordering service for turnkey roof measurements. Everyone who signs up gets the first one free. But we'll go ahead and just tap on the no thanks, skip this step for now. And that's going to let us know that our 24-hour access has been enabled. Now, we will get our temporary password emailed to us as well. But let me see if I can go ahead and just copy that password and save it to my clipboard here.
Sure.
And then we can always reference our email if we need to see that password later on. We could go ahead and complete our profile now and automatically extend to the full 14-day trial. That's going to give us 14 full days to try out RoofSnap, and it's also going to give us access to Nearmap's high-resolution imagery.
That's right.
It's also going to give us the ability to order more sketchos if additional turnkey measurements is something we want to try out during our trial.
For sure.
I'm going to go ahead and just tap on this Get It on Google Play icon here. If you hadn't already installed the app, this is going to take you right to the App Store and you'd be able to install the app. But since we already have it, let's just go ahead and tap on the Open button. There we go. That brings us back to the login screen here in RoofSnap. So Katrina, I want to use that same username to log in.
All right. So you remembered.
Yeah, that's going to be my primary email address, and I made a custom one for us today.
And then, of course, the password.
And since I copied it from earlier, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can just paste that right in here. There we go. And then once you confirm your email address and password, just go ahead and tap on the login button. All right, success. Now, as you can see, I already have several projects here on the main screen. And the reason I'm seeing all these projects is we've curated sort of a mixture of different types of roof projects that you could potentially create in your account here during your trial. So you can see we have some residential buildings, some commercial buildings. We even have a project that's called Try Sketching This Roof down here at the bottom. So let's go ahead and reference this residential gable roof right here. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that to open up that project and dive right into the sketch. Just want to show you that the lines of this roof and the pitch values have already been drawn. So you could go in and you could draw additional lines, or you could navigate over to facets and see the pitch values. But ultimately, let's cancel out of here. That is the exact same roof as the Try Sketching This Roof down here all the way at the bottom. So if we go ahead and open up Try Sketching This Roof, tap on the sketch icon there, we're going to see that we have the saved image here already, but none of the lines have been drawn. So go ahead and review the first one and then practice drawing this one and see if you can't make them both the same.
Great.
Now lastly, in case you're curious about how to use RoofSnap beyond what you've already seen in this video, please feel free within the Android app to go ahead and tap on training videos. This is going to take you to a playlist that we've created, all of YouTube videos. So if you want to watch any of these additional YouTube videos right from your mobile device, just tap on them and they'll open right up in your YouTube app.